Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and I'm back today with an episode that's a little bit different and something that I hope that you enjoy. So with everyone being home and with your kids being home, I decided to launch a series that is focused on kids cooking with you. So these are all recipes that are so easy to make that your kids can help you with, and they're going to enjoy it because it's simple, it's easy, it gets them a little bit of time in the kitchen, and more importantly, it just gets them away from any screen time. So if you guys love recipes that you can include your kids in, you are gonna love this banana oatmeal cookie. I have different variations of it, and then you can play around with it too, as long as you have the base down. So if you guys like these types of videos where you can include your kids in the kitchen, then please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So for my recipe, I have my little sister who's in middle school helping me out just to really show you how truly easy these recipes are. So first thing that we are making is the base. So the base is just one very ripe banana that you're going to mash up just with a fork. And then you're gonna add some oatmeal. So I've got some old-fashioned rolled oatmeals, and this is probably gonna work the best, not the steel cut oats, because then it won't get soft enough when you're baking this. Oh, and then the first thing I forgot to mention is that you wanna preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So now that you have your base, which is the banana and the oatmeal, you're now going to add in whatever flavor that you want. So I have 3 variations. This first one, I added some coconut shreds and cranberries. Gives it a little bit of a sweetness on top of the bananas already being sweet. Now I love this recipe because you don't have to mess with eggs, so you don't have to worry about, cross-contamination and all that. You've got your kids in there, messy hands and everything. If they lick the batter, totally fine. So I really like this recipe. But really easy, you just mix it all around, and then you take 2 spoons and about 2 tablespoons each scoop, just place it on a Silpat mat and bake it in the oven for 15 minutes. I am doing 3 different variations, so that was the first variation. The second variation, again, same base, so banana and then oatmeal. And then this time around, I added some chopped pecans, which I had my sister just chop with her hands, and a little bit of chocolate chips. Now, my chocolate chips was the one that is sweetened with stevia, so a little bit on the healthier side, but you can use any type of chocolate chip that you have on hand. And the last variation, again, same base, so a mashed up banana and some oatmeal, and then I added some peanut butter and some cacao nibs. Now you can totally play around with each of these recipes, add whatever topping that you want. You can even add a little bit of chia seeds, a little bit of flax seeds, extra protein that way, but really it's up to you. You can get as creative as you want. But that's it, you just bake these in the oven for 15 minutes. They don't expand, so you can put them pretty close to each other. I made 1 full tray, and then they just turn out really soft in the middle, nice and crispy on the outside. And not only is it simple, but it's also super healthy. So I really think your kids are going to love this recipe. All right, there you guys go. That is my easy recipe for today that you can recreate with your kids. I do hope that everyone is safe and at home. And if you do have kids or have little ones around, this is a great way to get them involved in the kitchen and have some quality family time. So if you guys love this recipe, love easy recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.